Can I really learn everything about koi carp in just a few minutes? You might have seen these stunning creatures swimming in beautifully maintained ponds, their vibrant colors catching your eye. The koi carp, with its origins tracing back to Japan and China, has become a symbol of good fortune, prosperity, and perseverance in Eastern cultures. Koi are often mistaken for large goldfish, but that's far from the truth. While both belong to the carp family, koi have a unique history and distinct characteristics. Goldfish are typically kept in smaller tanks or bowls, and they are bred for their color and finnage. Koi, on the other hand, have been prized for centuries for their beauty and are kept in larger ponds. Their history is deeply rooted in Japanese culture, where they were initially bred from common carp for their colorful scales. Over time, through selective breeding, various types of koi emerged, each with its own unique patterns and colors. The misconception that koi are just large goldfish might stem from their similar appearance, but koi are much more than that. They are a result of meticulous breeding and are considered living jewels due to their vibrant colors and intricate patterns. The world of koi is vast and varied, with several types that enthusiasts love. You've got your kohaku, known for its white body and red patterns, sank, which adds black to the mix, and showa, famous for its black body with white and red patterns. What's remarkable about koi is their lifespan. They can live for several decades, with some reportedly living up to 70 years or more. Koi keeping is a serious commitment, requiring a well-maintained pond, a balanced diet, and regular care. It's not just about owning a pet, it's about creating a habitat that allows these beautiful creatures to thrive. Their impressive lifespan and the dedication involved in caring for them only add to their allure. For those who are passionate about koi, it's not just a hobby, it's a way of life. The bond between a koi keeper and their fish is unique, built on mutual respect and admiration. Some koi are truly one of a kind, fetching high prices due to their rarity and beauty. The most expensive koi ever sold was reportedly a 10-inch kohaku that was auctioned for a staggering $1.5 million. What makes these koi so valuable? It's a combination of their rarity, their perfection in terms of color and pattern, and the reputation of the breeder. These expensive koi are often referred to as living jewels due to their extraordinary beauty. Their value lies not just in their monetary worth but in the joy and serenity they bring to those who behold them. The rarity and beauty of these high-end koi make them highly sought after by collectors. In summary, koi carp are more than just ornamental fish, they are a symbol of beauty, resilience, and cultural heritage. Their unique characteristics, impressive lifespan, and the dedication required to care for them make them truly special. Whether you're a seasoned koi enthusiast or just discovering the world of koi, there's no denying the allure of these magnificent creatures. We'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite koi varieties in the comments below. If you're as fascinated by the world of animals as we are, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating facts and insights into the amazing creatures that share our planet.